Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Android look like iPhone. So what you'll have to do is simply install an iOS launcher. Of course, there are a lot of best free options in 2025. I'll show you just one, and of course for you, you can go and expand and make your research and look for the launcher that you want if you didn't like this one. So an example, let me just go and open here Play Store, and all I need to do, just go and click on the search button. In here, I'm just going to look for launcher iOS 17, hit the enter button, and I'm looking for this one as example, light one. Of course, you can go and look for other ones that are not lights. So for me, I'm just going to this one, click on install right here, and you can even enable this option to open it automatically when it's ready. So after the install, you can even set it as the default launcher other than your Android launcher. And you can also grant it notification, accessibility, and draw over permissions. So let me just go and open it up right now. And as you can see, here is it. This is going to be the iOS launcher. So make sure to grant it anything that is required. So as we said, once we install it, we can go and click on this set the default home screen. We can even go and choose the layout as example and make a lot of things that we can see how does it look like. So as an example, if we go and click on set default home screen, and as you can see, you can go and set it as a default launcher. You can go and click on OK. And as you can see, default home application. For me, it's going to be system launcher, but I'm going to put it into this. So for the home app, of course, it's going to be just personal. Let me just go and set this one. I'm just going to set it only once. So as you can see, I'm just going to click on got it right here. And here we are. We do have now, as you can see, an iPhone, and our Android basically looks like iPhone, just using this launcher. You can also, as an example, if you want to add an iOS lock screen, and you can also change the app icon style, you can add some dynamic slides, you'll be able to do a lot of other stuff that I'll let you try it on your own in the launcher. You can always, an example, go to search and look for the launcher that you just downloaded. So you can go and look for iOS launcher. And once we access it, basically, you can go and see a lot of stuff in here. So including the lock screen, as I said. So you can go and download the lock screen and notification for that. And as you can see, there's a lot of things, animations, wallpaper. You can go and experience and try everything here by your own. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.